Spring is a great time to review your home for any minor repairs needed after the storms and cold of winter. While some may require the assistance of professionals, these tasks can help you get your home ready to safely enjoy summer and outdoor fun. Clean your gutters and downspouts, remove any dried leaves or debris, make any needed minor repairs, and ensure water is easily running through and away from the home and foundation. Repair damaged walkways and outside areas. Look for cracks, holes, and other hazards, and schedule repairs before barbecue season is in full swing. Check your sprinkler and irrigation systems for leaks or damaged sprinkler heads. Make sure none are spraying the home or windows, as this can cause moisture problems. Trim back broken or dead tree branches, especially any hanging close or over the home. Spring is a great time to test all carbon monoxide and smoke alarms and change batteries where needed. We hope this checklist helps in preparing your home for the fun and sun of the upcoming outdoor season.